Hey folks, I've got my order here from you online UK. Oh God, if I can get it open. There we go. Dun dun dun. Woohoo! I do pour. Yep, deep cast. See that? Pour up to 30 centimetres. That is amazing. Glass clear and UV resistant. I'm so excited to try that. And I got the open water pigment paste. And I've done a new makeup of these pigment pastes. They're nowhere near as thick as they used to be, which is absolutely amazing. Much easier to mix into your resin. Why did I not think it would be sealed? If there's anything you see or anything you fancy. Where did I put that blade? On Just For You Online UK, you can use my code Resin Rebel to get 15% off. Sorry, I found it. If I never found it, then I'd be hunting all night. I wouldn't get to my bed until I found it. Look at that pigment. Beautiful blue. Can't wait to try that. I'm just going to take that bit off and put that in there. I'll wash my hands in a minute. Yeah, so that's the open water blue. And I had this before as well, but it was the old formulation and it used to be affected really badly with the cold. Yeah, these new ones are not affected nowhere near as badly anyway. It's the last ones. So that's really exciting. Checking if you can see how thin that is. It's definitely a liquid paste, I would say. More than the paste that it used to be. So that one's the raspberry. Another beautiful pigment. Twilight blue. Pigment. That's a nice deep blue. Nice dark nighttime sky. Trying to watch nice like night sky blue. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, sometimes words are so hard. And I got the rich teal. I've got the teal that sparkles, but never had the rich teal, so I had to order that one too. That looks pretty. I just love their pigments, like, I swear to God, they're absolutely stunning. That was really nice, that rich teal. I'm so in love with greens now, so in love. Yeah, so remember folks, if you do see anything you like and you go over to their website, save yourself 15%. And this is the one I've been waiting on to come what is. It's the turquoise. A turquoise pigment. This is a brand new one. I was so excited when they said they were coming out with this. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. Definitely sparkly. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so pretty. So yeah, that's the new one. Turquoise. I was trying to try that one too. And also got the turquoise shells. These ones are really pretty. They're smaller size shells than the other ones I've got. But sometimes I think the other ones are a little bit big, so it's nice to have a smaller size. Oh, these are so pretty. Love them. Thank you, girls. Oh, I've just got paste on me again. Right, thank you, girls. And like I said, Jumper just for you online UK. Save yourself 15%. No matter how big or small your order is, it'll be 15% off your total order. So yeah, the resins are absolutely amazing, by the way. I haven't tried this deep pour, but that's the only one that I need to try. But the other ones are, they're just out of this world. I can't believe that a resins came this far. But wow, well done, girls. You should be proud. Thanks for watching, folks, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.